Work on the O2 parts truck today. Call it the parts truck because it's I bought it as a parts truck and ended up putting it back together, and it's turned out to be a pretty decent truck. Got an AC line that was leaking. The high pressure port here on the what they call the liquid line was leaking, and I could not get that out of there to change it. I heated it, and I eventually messed around with it enough that I actually twisted the line and cracked it. So I had to get a new line. So I got on eBay. I think I got it on eBay. It might have been Parts Geek. Actually, I don't remember where I ordered it from. Got a new line, 4 Seasons. Made in China, as usual. Everything. So yeah, that's the new line there. Okay, well, that was a struggle. I ended up putting it down here at the bottom. That should still give me pretty good light. Get a cord. Definitely one thing you want to do if you're building the shop or wiring an old barn or whatever, making it a shop, put in a lot of outlets. Never have enough outlets. All right. The inner fender well out to get that AC line out, and it's probably gonna be, I had to bend it a little bit to get it out. So I guess first thing we'll do is we gotta change the high pressure sensor. Gotta swap that over. Yeah, I think that's still good. This is a fancy bag. Look at that bag. Look at that thing. Got a Ziploc on it and a hanger. Fancy stuff. The caps fell off, but they'll have that. So that just, it's got a Schrader valve there, and then it has the seal. So you can just screw that on there. Snug it up just a little bit. Not a lot. These are capped, so you can go shoving it into wherever you got to shove it to make it fit. And I'll put the other cap back on it. Not getting crud in there. And now we get to try to shove it back in there. It's not gonna... These Baco lights are pretty handy. Baco is the company that makes them. They're fairly bright and they're not real expensive. And they'll handle quite a bit of abuse. Got a magnet on the end of it so you can hang it from stuff you'll crap stuck to. There's a magnet on the back too. It's rechargeable, LED. had to stop recording. I needed to use some sentence enhancers to get that in there. Yeah, there's parts laying there. Yeah. You're not gonna get that in there without taking some more stuff off. You know, there's the grill. There's the headlight, turn signal. Yeah. So next we have so I bought the whole line, so I can go ahead and take the low pressure part of it off. And it already has the orifice tube in it. You can get it with or without it, it has it with it. So I don't have to worry about messing with that. Which has a new one in it. I already put new seals on all these, trying to find this leak. But the new line comes with a new seal. Twisted it around so much, trying to get it put in. There it goes. Alright, there's that. So now, before we put anything else back together, we're going to put vacuum on it and see if it leaks still. And continue on. Like I said, this high pressure port here was definitely leaking. I broke the line trying to get the port out to replace it, the valve there. So I think everything is tightened back up. Nope, still got another piece to put back on. Put this on. Ouch. Plug that back in. So I got my gauges hooked up. Red, you got a high pressure port. Red, that's the bigger port. Blue is your low pressure port, that's your smaller port. Then what you normally feed your Freon in with, I've got this hooked to a vacuum pump. Got this vacuum pump Harbor Freight, and they're like 80 or 90 bucks, and you pull a vacuum on your system. See, that's the vacuum there. We're gonna hold it about 20 and just see if it'll hold it. See if we got another leak we gotta chase down. Yeah, see, it's losing it. Alright, so I pulled vacuum on this AC system and still got a leak. So there's one seal that I haven't replaced yet. I've done the seals there. New high pressure liquid line. Put the new seals there. That's a new line and seal. I had not done this one yet. And that may be my culprit right there. Look at that. That's a damn mess. Obviously it's been leaking. So let's get that cleaned up.